Hello guys, this is Cherry and welcome to my channel. So I'm gonna really sorry for that. So I'm gonna go for a ride actually. So I just thought to make a video about my packing on and all things I carry for a ride. So it's not gonna be a too long ride. It's gonna be like 2000 to 2500 kilometers ride. So the things which I carry for those kind of rides, I'm gonna show to you people. So how many set of dresses I'll be carrying, what and all stuffs I'll be carrying with me, and packing. It's gonna be like a packing kind of video. So hope you guys will like it. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel and follow me on Instagram and click the notification button also. That bell, click that. Okay, so let's get into this. So usually I used to carry lots and lots of stuffs with me while I'm going for a ride, but then now I'm gonna just like carry the very needed things only, because every time I used to carry everything and then I won't use itself, it will be like a extra luggage for me while riding. So this time I'm gonna carry பாதியா குறைச்சிட போறேன் அப்படியே அந்த luggage. So guys, packing was done. Actually, what is the plan? Where I'm gonna go for a ride? All those things I'll say. கொஞ்சம் பக்கத்தில் இருக்கிற பில்டிங்க்கு போயிட்டு சொல்கிறேன், ஏன்னா பிகாஸ் என் பேர் லைட்டிங் பவுத் கம்மு. ஸோ I'm gonna go there and I'll be telling about the plans, when I'm gonna start, when I'm gonna end, where I'm gonna go, all those things I'm gonna say. So every camera set பண்ணிட்டேன். So in a plan, what is the plan actually? So there was two plans actually. One plan is to ride with my brother. So if he didn't came, I have one more plan. Riding with my brother's plan was 21st morning, early morning, like 3 or 4 o'clock. I'll be starting from here from my house to Lambasingi, which is in Vizag, which is South Indian Kashmir, something they call like that. So I never visited that place, so I thought to visit that place. And from there I'll be going to Hyderabad, and from Hyderabad I'm going to stay with my friends, and from Hyderabad I'll be going to Gandikota. From Gandikota I'll be coming back to Chennai. So this is the plan. It is like a 2500 something kilometers ride. So this was the first plan actually. And the second plan, solo ride, was like first day from here to Gandikota, and Gandikota to Hyderabad, and Hyderabad to back to Chennai. So this is the second plan. The second plan was really very short. It's because budget problem. If we two people went, now the budget will be like sharing basis. So yeah, we both can easily manage. So if in last minute, if he is not gonna come, means I'll be traveling alone. So for that only I made another plan also. Always when you are preparing for a ride, keep 2 to 3 plans, because last minute anything can happen. Maybe a climate changes or anything can happen. So you have to keep 2 or 3 plans if you're gonna ride for sure, if you're thinking to ride for sure. So this was the plan actually. So that's it guys. I'm gonna end this vlog over here. This is just a planning video or packing video, whatever video. If you people like this video for any reasons, you can like, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel also and share with your friends. And thank you so much for love and support guys. As usual, just eat, sleep and ride. Repeat that again guys. See you people in the next video. Till then, signing off with Cherry. Bye bye. Hold on. Ride video is gonna come. Stay tuned. It's gonna be like Khatarnak. Okay.